Going hella shit, I ain't taking a loss. But hey, this shit costs big sauce. Get what I mean for sure. Know what I mean for sheets. Get what I mean for sure. Know what I mean for sheets. Get what I mean for sure.
You guys should have been here.
Get what I mean for sure. Know what I mean for sheets. I don't put that on, that's my word. I don't put that on, that's my word.
Check, check.
I don't put that on, that's my word. I don't put that on, that's my word.
Everybody here, listen up. One more announcement. Stay out of the street and do not block driveways. The cops are fucking with us because of people in the street and people blocking driveways. Stay out of the street, stay out of the driveways. It's simple. Let's keep this going. Let's not fuck this up. Thank you.
Yeah! Yeah, let's have a ref contest or something.
Raffle tickets over here.
I'm the fucking man, you don't get it, do you? Type of money, everybody acting like they know you. Go uptown, New York City, beer. Some Spanish girls love me like a mama Buddha. Tell Uncle Luke I'm out Miami too. Clubbing hard, picking women, they ain't much to do.
Make sure everybody's out the street. We got an announcement, y'all. We need everybody out the street. If you with this life, we need you back here.
25 mil, I'm in the building and I'm feeling myself. Rest in peace, Mac Dre. I'ma do it for the pay, okay? Getting paid, but I whenever asked out. My team good, we don't really need a mascot. Tune light one, pass it like a relay. YMCMB, more YMCA. Freddie and Molly Mall at the cribbo.
Everybody to the back.
We got Santa Margarita.
Outer World Extremes in the house, yo.
I don't really need a heart. That's how you feel, man. It's really how you feel. Cause the pimpin' nice cold. I just wanna chill. I mean, maybe she won't, and again, maybe she will. Like it's
SpaceX represent.
Plus in the joint.
Check delay.
Hey, some people just don't know how to party. Look at it. Yeah.
Oh,
party.
Carol.
Fuck you.
Hey, I'm back. Chilling. You don't want none.
We got Kev up in the house. Let me get a cherry.
This motherfucking B-Rap from CPR. Everybody knows Gypsy Mike, king of the street, been running things for a while. Even though he knocked his dick off in the dirt once, but we still running shit. We got a fast-ass fucking car, we ain't taking shit from him. Now, Izzy News, they got lucky. It happens. Everybody gets their W's.
That's racing.
It's racing. Gypsy Mike right now about to throw his own dick in his own fucking dirt. Here, have another one.
Woohoo!
Have another one, boss. Say something to the camera. Let them know you're here. I just want to penetrate mamas, whatever the fuck it is.
I just want to penetrate somebody.
I just want to penetrate somebody, the man says.
Yeah, there's plenty of females out there. Don't worry.
He says.
Let me get one of these right here.
Dig in.
Yeah.
Let me get one to Miller.
Hey, tell him to come here. I'm nom monster. Straight nom.
You're out of drinks, except for beer, and I'm not going to drink when I'm driving.
Really? All right, tell them to go get some more. That's it, all the soft drinks are gone.
Holy shit. Let me just
Hey, babe. What's up? No, I left Taco at my mom's. No, she's at home.